This is Mr. Burley at St. Elizabeth. This tutorial is going to be for the Pronterface. It's software. It communicates directly to what I'm communicating to right now, 3D printers, the Persa i3. And it has an onboard display, but it's an arduous task going through all the different settings. So this Pronterface works much nicer. You can hit, this is the home button. It homes all the axes. I'll see if I can get this to work properly now. This is the one I'm using. You'll see here this up top in this area right here. Now you can see what I'm showing you. If you hit that, it takes it now to the center of the table, which is really nice because doing this is you can tell where the model is going to reside. It allows you to put tape on it. Now personally I use the painter's tape that's green. I've been told the blue works much nicer. But it's nice because you can bring it down, the head down, touch it out on the green tape, and then you can set the proper dimension for the extruder head. There's a nice gap there. Thickness of the paper works well from what I've found. You can then come into Pronterface, and there's a tutorial on there that shows you how to reset your zeros and zero it out. It works quite well. So after that, I use Cura. And in this particular situation, I've brought in this model, and now you can rotate. The Cura is nice because you can rotate your model. You can, there you go there. You can scale it. So if the student inadvertently makes it too large, you can come in here and scale it down. The settings are different. Here I've got the layer height at 2, the shell thickness. You can see the different ones. Now I've played with these extensively. I don't see a huge appreciable difference. Right here, if I change the layer height to 0.1, you get a little nicer part, but it's like twice the time, obviously. And I printed 2 recently, students' projects, and you couldn't really tell the difference. The surface finish was slightly different. So if you were printing something extremely important, then yeah, I would say change some of these out. 195 printing temperature seems to work well. Bed temperature sets at 60. And everything else here, the diameter of the cutter, sorry, I keep thinking back to CNC, the diameter of the extruder head. And then you just come here and you click print, and this one here you can see it's going to take 14 minutes. It's going to tell you 8.6 meters, 3 grams. This software works really, really nice. I gotta say, the different view modes here, you can show the overhangs, you can show it the normal mode, you can slice it, you can show your layers, you can see how that's going to print now, which is exactly how it would look. You can go up through the layers here too, just to see, so you can see that it's going to be hollow in the center, and you can extrude all the way up through. Okay, right to the top, view mode back to normal. And now when I click print, the first thing that's going to happen is my machine bed is going to start heating up. And then once the bed heats up, then the printing head starts heating up. So it takes a while. Once it's set and gone, it takes off and it prints well. I'm going to try one now. Click print, and away we go. Okay, again, this is Mr. Burley. Thanks for watching.